Meanwhile, typhoon victims who are members of the Pag-ibig Fund can now avail of calamity loans. Vice President and HUDSI Chair Jejo Marbinay ordered that mobile offices be put up in typhoon-ravaged areas to fast-track the processing of loan documents. Noel Perfecto filed this report.
Pag-ibig members greatly affected by Typhoon Labuyo can now file their calamity loans. According to Vice President Jejo Marbinay, all members living in areas placed under state of calamity can now avail of a loan equivalent to 80% of their savings. This after he ordered Home Mutual Development Fund or Pag-ibig Officer Darlene Berdarabe to release mobile offices in areas devastated by Typhoon Labuyo in order to attend the members' loan applications.
It was declared in state of calamity. A matter of fact, no? So tanggap na namin kanina.
24 months.
24 months.
Vice President Binay also directed the National Housing Authority, or NHA, to take care of the needs of families who lost their homes and their livelihood caused by Labuyo, particularly in the areas of Region 3, in the towns of Dinalungan and Dipakulaw, Aurora. NHA recorded 519 totally damaged houses and 3,231 partially damaged houses due to the heavy rains and strong winds of Labuyo.
Yan either bubong at kahoy, o bubong lang o kahoy lang, whatever. Basta ang cost nun is 5,000.
Tapos yung totally
damaged, meron yung totally damaged sa mga maliliit lang, isasama na sila dun sa 5,000. Pero yung malalaki, yun ang 360. At ito is talungan, hahanap sila ng NHA ng lupa. We will coordinate with the local official para mabigyan kami ng lugar, gagawin namin sila ng bahay.
NHA Administrator Chito Cruz immediately commanded his personnel to arrange the needs of the affected individuals.
Isasama na rin natin yung maliliit dun sa home materials assistance natin na 5,000. Pero yung nakita namin pinakamalaking damage, yung sa Dinalungan, sa may Aurora, 360, titingnan natin kung paano tayo makakagawa. But per the instruction ni Vice President, gagawa natin ng tulong na assistance na makapagtayo sila ng panibagong bahay.
Meanwhile, VP Binay awarded a grand prize of a house and lot plus a sari-sari store to Alex and Jackie Lud Porras of Bukidnon after being picked out of the 4,000 Pag-ibig members who participated in the I Do Araw ng Pag-ibig promo last February of this year. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.